Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, welcome to Model Academy online class once again. Dear student, how are you all? I hope you all good. I'm also good. Dear student, today I am here to discuss about your mini active English translate into Bengali. Okay? Student, let's start our class. 1 number. It is time for school. এখন বিদ্যালয়ে যাওয়ার সময়। 2 number. He is going to school. সে বিদ্যালয়ে যাচ্ছে। 3 number. Now he is at school. এখন সে বিদ্যালয়ে। 4 number. It is time for work. এখন সময় কাজের। 5 number. He is going to work. সে কাজে যাচ্ছে। 6 number. Now he is at work. এখন সে কাজে। 7 number. It is time to play. এখন খেলার সময়। 8 number. They are going to school playground. তারা বিদ্যালয়ের মাঠে যাচ্ছে। 9 number. Now they are is in the playground. এখন তারা মাঠে। 10 number. It is time for bed. এখন বিছানায় যাওয়ার সময়। 11 number. She is going to bed. সে বিছানায় যাচ্ছে। 12 number. Now she is in bed. এখন সে বিছানায়। Okay, let's see your mixed sentence. Time. I am making time. It is time for work. School. It is time for school. Now he is at work. Work. Now he is at work. Same sentence. Play. It is time to play. Ground. They are going to playground. Dear students, play, P-L-A-Y, play. Please write the correct word. Bed. She is going to bed. Teacher. She is a teacher. Engineer. He is an engineer. People. There are some people in the bus. Garden. This is our garden. Flower. There are some flower. Okay, students, look at your homework. Your homework is word meaning. Time, সময়, school, বিদ্যালয়। Now, এখন, work, কাজ, play, খেলা, playground, খেলার মাঠ, bed, বিছানা, profession, পেশা, teacher, শিক্ষক, page, টুকরো, draw, আঁকা, duster, মুছে নিপা পুরুষ, clean মানে পরিষ্কার, fish মাছ, put মানে রাখা, bookshelf, বই রাখার তাক। Okay, students. Thank you very much. Today I'm saying goodbye. Take care of you.